welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'll be demonstrating how I achieved this very dewy summer skin that almost looks wet, not greasy, but just wet. The focus of this video is solely the skin. I wanted to make sure that I had a very pretty glowy canvas. So to achieve this look, I use products that are richer in texture. So I use the Marc Jacobs coconut base and the Marc Jacobs dewdrops, which I mixed with my foundation just to give my skin a really luminous finish. I also used a liquid luminizer just to act as a base for my powder highlight. To seal this look, and you want to make sure that you use a setting spray like a Fix Plus, or if you want a drugstore alternative, I love this Milani Dewy Skin Finish setting spray, and it's only like $6. You can find it at any drugstore, and it's really good, but you just want something that gives your skin an extra bit of dewiness. I'm using a couple of new products in this video, one being this Extra Dimension Skin Finish by MAC that gives your skin a really pretty sheen, not like a very powdery sheen. I know a lot of highlighters tend to have that powdery finish, but this gives your skin a very wet, dewy look. And also this MAC Fix Plus Goldlite Edition, and I love this stuff because it has gold reflex in it, and it leaves your skin with a really pretty golden finish, and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna use it all the time, even when I don't have makeup on, just so my skin could have that really fresh golden glow. So those are just a few tips to maximize your glow to the fullest degree. I'm gonna stop talking now and let's just get right into the video. Alright, so to moisturize my skin, I'm just gonna use this Valo Vitamin C cocktail just because I have a really bad sunburn right now and I want to keep my skin hydrated under all this makeup. And I'm just applying that and patting that in. Next, I'm going to be priming with this Marc Jacobs coconut primer. It smells really nice. And I'm just taking a few drops and patting it into my face as well. Now for foundation, I'm just taking my Nars Luminous Skin Foundation, and I'm going to be mixing that foundation with this Marc Jacobs dewdrops and patting that on my face and blending it in. And I'm bringing the foundation down to my neck as well, just because I am really burnt right now. Next up, I'm taking this MAC Prolongwear Concealer and just concealing under my eyes and my highlight points. So because this is a very dewy look, I'm not going to set all over my face, just under my eyes and my T-zone area. To contour and bronze up my face, I'm going to be using this Marc Jacobs Tantasic bronzer. And now I'm just cleaning up that bronzer with some powder. For some more bronziness, I'm just going in with the Becca Sunlit Bronzer in Maui Nights. And just very lightly sweeping that on. So now for some more glow, I'm going in with the iconic Illuminating drops and just placing that on the high points of my cheeks, my forehead, and highlight my nose. I'm gonna pop that same bronzer through my socket just for a little definition. I'm gonna do my mascara and liquid liner off camera, and I'll be right back. Now I'm just gonna line my waterline with this NYX nude eyeliner pencil. Alright, now let's get to the real glow of it all. I'm taking this MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Whisper of Guilt and applying that everywhere I place the liquid highlighter. Alright, so to bring my highlight one step further, I'm just going to take the Hyper Real Glow by MAC and just put that on the high points of my cheeks. Just gonna line my lips with this NYX pencil in Coffee. And finishing it off with this NYX lip cream in Berlin. So to give my lips more dimension, I'm just taking this Milk face gloss and applying it to my lips. To finish off this look, I'm just going to spray my face with this MAC Fix Goldlite Edition, which has really beautiful gold reflex in it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. Any suggestions, leave them down below. I love you guys so much.